McKenna, did you hear about the Mario Party Superstars game?
Yes, I did, Nicole.
Why don't we ask Dante Dent for the game?
Good idea, Ms. Stallard.
Hey Dante Dent and catering.
What is it, Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry?
Can you take us to GameStop and buy us the Mario Party Superstars game?
No.
But why?
Because you two are still grounded for hurting my feelings by yelling at me. Now go back upstairs or else we will get the belt.
Man. Ms. Forry, this is so dumb that Dante Dent and catering won't let us get the game.
I know, right? What should we do?
I have an idea, Ms. Forry. Let's steal Dante Dent's car and go to GameStop.
Good idea, Ms. Stallard.
Okay, Ms. Forry, there is Dante Dent's car keys. Let's pick them up.
Okay.
Alright McKenna, let's go now.
Okay.
Holy crap. Baby, did you hear that?
Yes, I did. It sounds like someone is stealing your car.
Wait a minute. Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry must be taking my car.
Sweetie, you could be right.
Open this door right now.
No.
Open the damn door.
No.
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry, I will drag you two out of this window if you do not open this door.
We are not opening this door.
Are you serious?
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry, open this door right now.
Baby, go get my keys.
All right, sweetie.
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry, I am not gonna ask you again. Get out of the car.
All right, sweetie pie, here they are. What? They're actually driving.
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry.
They can't even drive.
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry.
They can't even drive. So what do we do now? Are you serious? All this for a game?
Sweetie pie, go get Jonah and Lindsay. And we will hop in Jonah's car.
Okay. Jonah. Jonah.
What?
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry just drove the car off.
What?
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry just drove the car off.
What are you talking about?
Ms. Stallard and Ms. Forry just drove the car off. We need to go follow them.
Oh no. That's not good.
I know, and Dante's outside.
Okay.
Come on, Miss Stallard and Miss Forry just drove the car off. We need to go follow them.
What?
Come on. We need to go follow them.
All right then.
Alright, we all have to go chase them down.
They took the car?
Yes, they did.
Miss Stallard and Miss Forry will be so dead. Where are they going?
Are you serious?
Pull right up ahead.
God damn.
MS Stallard and MS Forry.
Miss
Women,
Stallard and Miss
stop the
Forry.
car.
Miss
Pull the
Stallard
car
and Miss
over
Forry.
right now.
Miss Stallard and Miss Forry.
Why are you guys following us?
Are you serious? 20 minutes later. There you two are. You guys are so busted.
What are you doing? Stop, we want our game.
Put them down.
You guys are so busted when we get home. Oh my god, Miss Stallard and Miss Forry, how dare you two steal Dante's car?
That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded until the Patrick Star Show gets renewed for season 2.
Go to your rooms now or we will call the cops.